Picture this. A bustling city suddenly erupts into chaos due to an SHTF situation. The urban dwellers are gripped by fear and uncertainty. Faced with the looming threat of disaster, city dwellers concoct elaborate plans to escape the urban destruction and seek refuge in the vast expanses of rural America. Armed with little more than backpacks filled with some essentials and dreams of self-sufficiency, they set their sights on the countryside, envisioning a life of freedom and abundance amidst the rolling hills and open fields. But as they venture further from the concrete jungle and into the heart of rural America, they quickly realize that the land they seek refuge in is not the uninhabited wilderness they imagined. Instead, it's a patchwork of farms, homesteads, and tight-knit communities, each with its own way of life and relationship with the land. Here, every acre is owned and utilized by those who call it home, and the idea of newcomers swooping in to claim their piece of paradise is met with skepticism and resistance. For the city escapees, this realization dawns slowly as they encounter barbed wire fences, no trespassing signs, and the wary stares from locals who have spent generations tending to the land. They soon come to understand that survival in rural America is not simply a matter of staking a claim and setting up camp. It requires respect for property rights, cooperation with neighbors, and a willingness to adapt to a way of life that is both challenging and rewarding. As they grapple with this harsh reality, the city refugees are forced to confront their own misconceptions and preconceptions about rural life. They learn that while the land may be abundant, the resources it provides are finite, and the people who rely on it are fiercely protective of their way of life. In the face of crisis, the instinct to seek safety and refuge is universal. For many city dwellers, this often means fleeing to rural areas in search of security and stability. While the countryside may appear as an idyllic sanctuary, the influx of these city people presents significant challenges for rural communities. So we're going to take a look at some of the impacts of urban bugging out on rural areas during times of crisis. Understanding urban exodus. The concept of urban exodus refers to the mass migration of people from urban centers to rural areas during times of crisis or unrest. In other words, bugging out. This phenomenon is driven by the desire to escape crowded cities, potential dangers, and resource scarcity. Whether prompted by natural disasters, civil unrest, or global conflicts, the urge to bug out to rural regions is a common response to perceived threats. Challenges faced by rural communities. Strain on resources. One of the most immediate challenges rural communities face during an urban exodus is the strain on resources. The sudden influx of people places increased demand on essential supplies like food, water, and medical facilities. Rural infrastructure, often designed to support small populations, may struggle to accommodate the needs of a sudden influx of refugees. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of city folks bugging out to the country cannot be overlooked. Rural areas may experience heightened pressure on natural resources, including land, water, and wildlife. Increased human activity can disrupt fragile ecosystems, leading to soil erosion, deforestation, and pollution. Balancing the needs of both the residents and the refugees while preserving the environment becomes a delicate task for rural communities. Socioeconomic disparities. Urban refugees bring with them a diverse range of socioeconomic backgrounds and skill sets, or lack of skills. While some may possess valuable resources and expertise, others may face financial hardships and lack essential skills for rural living. This creates socioeconomic disparities within rural communities, exacerbating existing inequalities and straining social cohesion. Pressure on local services. This sudden influx of population during a massive bug out from the cities places immense pressure on local services and infrastructure. Rural hospitals, schools, and law enforcement agencies may be overwhelmed by the increased demand for their services. Limited access to health care, education, and emergency response further compounds the challenges faced by both residents and refugees alike. Cultural and social dynamics. The arrival of these urban refugees brings about cultural and social dynamics that can impact rural communities. Differences in lifestyle, values, and traditions may lead to tension and conflicts among residents and the city people just looking to survive. The loss of community cohesion and sense of identity poses challenges to maintaining social harmony in rural areas. Living on a farm can provide a sense of security and self-sufficiency, but the sudden influx of interlopers from the city can disrupt this lifestyle. And these newcomers, driven by desperation or opportunism, may resort to stealing crops, poaching wildlife, and trespassing on private property. Such actions not only undermine the hard work and livelihood of the farm owners, but also pose a threat to the delicate balance of rural ecosystems. Then there's the presence of city dwellers who own land or shelters, but have not lived there full time. This adds another layer of complexity. These absentee landowners may unintentionally strain local resources by overusing water, clearing land indiscriminately, or neglecting maintenance. Their lack of familiarity with rural living and taking care of the land can exacerbate environmental degradation and create tensions within the community. In response to these challenges, farm and homestead owners must remain vigilant and take proactive measures to protect their property and their resources. This may include implementing security measures like fences, surveillance cameras, and neighborhood watch programs to deter trespassers and unauthorized hunting. Fostering open communication and collaboration with neighboring landowners can help address shared concerns and promote responsible land management practices. Furthermore, educating these city dwellers about the importance of respecting private property rights, wildlife conservation laws, and sustainable farming practices can help with easing the tensions and possibly even begin to create bonds. Encouraging participation in local community initiatives like farmers markets, cooperative farming ventures, and conservation projects can also help integrate newcomers into the rural community and cultivate a sense of shared responsibility for the land and its resources. Urban bugging out represents a complex and multifaceted challenge for rural communities during times of crisis. As the trend of mass migration from cities to rural areas continues, it is essential to recognize the diverse impacts and take proactive measures to address them. By fostering resilience, cooperation, and sustainable development, rural communities can navigate the challenges of an urban exodus or bugging out and emerge stronger in the face of that adversity.